Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's Ceejaybrand here, and today we're about to talk about the brand new purchase that we recently made, the Beats Studio Pros. I bought these headphones, thinking that, I was going to just hate them, but I wanted to show you guys, I'm just going to buy the product just to go ahead and review on, YouTube or whatever. But actually, after buying these and owning them for a week, I can say these are probably like one of my favorite pair of headphones I've had in years. Like, seriously. So, man, Beats Studio Pros, it's kind of crazy, man, because I'm an AirPod guy. I like to have my AirPods in my ears instead. It's very small, it's sleek. You be doing what you want to do. People can't, hear you got the beard covering it up. But with these Beats right here, man, hey. You see me, I got the headphones on. The color of them looks so freaking fantastic. We went ahead and picked up the Beats Studio Pro in the sandstone color. That's coming for different colors. You get sandstone, black, navy, and then also a deep brown, which sometimes people say the deep brown look like bronze, but I mean, obviously, it's brown. Now, I was really surprised, on the price point of these headphones as well. Normally, it looks like they're online for like $349, but I was able to pick these up for $179. Unfortunately, I think this ends about 21 hours for the sale, at least on Best Buy in USA. But, I mean, hey, $349 for a pair of Beats Studio Pros in 2023, that's a lot of money, but I can guarantee you that you will get every cent that you paid for. I promise you will. These headphones, let me just go ahead and open them up and show y'all the color, right quick. Cause man, I'm a guy, I love wearing black. Everything I own, I promise you, is black. But when I seen these right here, I said, yeah, I gotta get it in this color right here. Like, this sandstone color is like, bruh, bruh. The sandstone color, it honestly just took the cake. I'm not gonna lie to you. I mean, like I said, we got a couple of the colors. Like I said, we got the black, brown, the deep brown, the navy, but these really stuck out far than anything. I think it's just because, it's something new. You really don't see a lot of headphones in this colorway, but I love them. I can't lie to you. Now, these Beats Studio Pros, they do also come with active noise cancellation, and they also have a couple, not even a couple, they got a feature in here that works with the iPhone, which is, the Siri mode. I believe in the previous models, they didn't have any type of Siri modification, so, you couldn't really, use this button right here to activate Siri, but now you can do so. That's pretty cool. I actually liked it. I mean, me personally, I don't use Siri. I ain't gonna lie to you, because I just be on the game sometimes, and Siri just listens. I'm like, oh, play music out of the blue. I was like, okay, all right, cool. I'm fine with that, whatever, do you. Let me get back to the video though. Now, like I said, we got them in the sandstone color. It has Siri capabilities in here as well, active noise cancellation. And the other good thing about them too is the battery life. The battery life for these Beats Studio Pros is at 40 hours. 40 hours is freaking crazy. That's 2 days and counting. Well, I lie, I'm tripping. It's 24 hours in a day. 24 times 2 is going to be 40, 48. Yeah, my bad. But you get almost 2 days, of battery usage in your Beats Studio Pros. I've yet to charge these up either. I ain't gonna lie to you. I mean that's because I only use them like 2 or 3 times. But this should pick y'all. I should buy some of these. Like, these just add them to the collection, man. Like, it's got a nice snug fit to them. The earmuffs on here are so freaking soft, and they bend up, something that some other product doesn't do. Max Studio, nah. But the cushion on here is pretty dope as well. Got some clicky buttons on here as well. That's some people say it feels cheap, compared to everything else overall on this headset, which I can't agree, just because you got plastic buttons on like a real sleek design. But then again, I ask people, what the heck does a button, what is a button supposed to feel like? Why do you want like a metal button, I guess, on some headphones? Like, I'm cool with the little cheap plastic ones I got. I mean, it's cool. I mean, why you spending time thinking about a button? Like, that is what I be thinking about. Like, why you spending time thinking about a button? What do you really think about the product? Like, overall, besides the freaking button, how does it sound? How does it sound? To me, it sounds perfect. The bass, I ain't gonna lie, I had one issue. One small issue, I was trying to listen to a WWE song and I played this. I'm like, dang, hey, I don't got no bass in them. Then I thought about it, I'm like, wait a minute. Pause. Let me play the new Drake album. Play the new Drake album, man. Yo. Yeah. You can hear the freaking the bass difference. I guess WWE doesn't put bass in their songs. You know, it's only the NFX, you know, whoop-de-doo. But once I played that Drake song, I was just like, yo. Like, that was just straight up crazy. Like, I'm getting a phone call. I hate this. In the previous Beats models, we always had like a micro USB port for the charging of it. But this year we have a USB-C port. So the USB-C port is just pretty much going to help us out overall. You know, with the iPhone 15 and a couple other products pretty much, you know, fully moving over to USB-C. This right here is just going to be, you know, another little thing that, you know, we ain't got to worry about having an extra cable for. Now, in this product as well, you are going to be receiving this cable as well, which is aux cable. I mean, I don't think that I'll be using this ever, unless I'm using it probably to hear some stuff on my camera, you know, through the microphone. But other than that, these are wireless. You know, they just connect directly to the phone. This, like, you know, since it's technically almost like an Apple product, or it really is an Apple product. You get that, you know, same notification on the phone, and bada boom, bada bing. Some, you know, simple stuff like that, man. Simple stuff like that. This is gonna be a real quick, short video because, I mean, there ain't that much you can really, you know, talk about on some headphones. I'm not being negative on these because, I mean, there is obviously something that some people don't like, but I mean, hey, I got a travel case that came with it. I get the aux cable, I get a USB-C cable, beautiful headphones. The packaging was even, let me take this way. The packaging was even dope. Like, the packaging was even dope. I can't lie. Apple and Beats, they did their thing on this product right here, man. You know, this from the cases, I should say, the colors, points, and then everything else is inside of it. Hey, that's all I got for you guys today. And until next time, you guys, the brand is out. Peace.
Hey, look, whoa, 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 whoa. Say it again.